Hello friends, welcome back to the test of the proteins, right? It is a biochemistry topic and we know that it is very important for GPAT only. In chemistry there are around 3 to 4 questions and we know that these are the only important topics, so we can't give that much time for I created these short videos for you and with some tricky tricks written in the way that they are easy to learn, right? So let's do that test of protein, right? Test for amino acids. So let's test that. Let's do that. Sorry for that, and subscribe the channel please. So the first one is Buret test. Buret test. Remember the reagent is here copper sulfate. Remember the reagent of this Buret test. Buret test is using the copper sulfate and color is purple, and it confirm the peptide bond. It confirm the peptide bond between the two amino acids, so that it confirm that there is a peptides or amino acid, or there is a protein, right? Okay, so it confirmed that. It is a test like it is a common test, very common test, like in amino carbohydrates. Molif test is common for all the, so Buret test is same for the protein amino acids, right? Now we have a ninhydrin test. Ninhydrin test gives the purple, blue, pink complex. इन सभी का मिक्सचर देता है जिसका एक नाम है, क्या है? Ruhman's purple, right? Remember this one. Maybe it is different from all the colors, so remember, if there is question about color, it can be here, right? Okay, so what we use here, reagent so remember reagent, ninhydrin, in for indane, and hydroxy. Remember this one, right? After that, it is used to determine the alpha amino acid, right? Alpha amino acid chain. Okay, Sanger test, Sanger reagent. So Sanger reagent is nitrobenzene. So I have written all the right tricky just to remember the main reagent here, nitrobenzene, and it is done by the chromatography. Sanger reagent is done by the chromatography and use the nitrobenzene. So it determine the what primary amino acid sequence, which is the insulin. Then we have Admin reagent. Admin reagent, remember the reagent of it, phenyl isothiocyanate. So this one test also determine the amino acid sequence. So I hope you got that. These first 4 tests is about just amino acid, peptide and amino acid sequence. Only amino acid sequence determination करते हैं. Alpha amino acid, peptide के बारे में बताता है, just confirmation test. Hope you got that. These are the basic tests which confirm that it is about protein or something, right? Now next we have a Millen's test and Phelan test. Now you have your someone special one, and you want to meet her, right, or him, then you want to go there, right? And I will tell you in Hindi, right? So जब आप जा रहे हो ना, तो आपका जो लाइक आप बाइक पे जा रहे हो मिलने, और क्या आता है, उसका टायर फट जाता है, ठीक है? आप मिलने जा रहे हो, मिलने जा रहे हो, और आपका टायर फट जाता है, ठीक है, जिससे आप मिल नहीं पाते, तो वो क्या, आपका मिशन फेल हो जाता है. सो मिलन एंड फॉलिन टेस्ट, बोथ टेस्ट आर यूज्ड फॉर द determination of tyrosine, which is a phenolic amino acid, right? Tyrosine. Hope you got this one, right? Sodium tungsten. So in foliin there is a sodium tungstate is the what reagent. In case of Millen's, it's mercury sulfate. Remember this. Next we have Haller test, which we use here reagent as HNO3, right? Concentrated nitric acid. So it gives the white precipitate, and it is determine the albumin in biological fluid. Basically urine में हम albumin की determination करते हैं. White precipitate नीचे होगा, तो it determine that it is albumin is a protein, right? Okay. After that we have Hopkins. So जो fans लोग होते हैं, एक्टर जो भी होते हैं, तो उनको होप होती है कि भाई ये हमारा जो फेवरेट एक्टर है कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा करेगा, तो उनको होप होती है, इनको फैंस को. सो हॉपकिंस टेस्ट इज फॉर ट्रिप्टोफेन, राइट? ट्रिप्टोफेन से हमारा सेरोटोनिन बनता है, एंड रिएजेंट इज ग्लाइऑक्सिलिक एसिड, और पर्पल कलर देता है, ठीक है? हॉपकिन फॉर द ट्रिप्टोफेन. दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट विच मेक्स यू टू रिमेंबर इट, राइट? MCQ होगा, जो आप मिस नहीं कर पाएँ, जिसकी वजह से बस वही है. अगला है साकागुची टेस्ट. फॉर गुची, Gucci is a brand for that related with Armani, Arginine, right? Armani, Arginine, Gucci, Armani. Okay, Arginine. It gives red color, right? This Sakaguchi test for use the alpha naphthol. Remember this one as well. This one is a test which is very important, right? So Sakaguchi test use the alpha naphthol and it is used for the arginine determination, right? उसके बाद हमारा आता है 10th वन xanthoprotic टेस्ट वी यूज हेयर HNO3 अगेन कंसनट्रेटेड HNO3 and it is used for the what aromatic amino acid and what are that aminos like which one are the aromatic PTT phenylalanine tryptophan tyrosine these three are the amino acid which are the aromatic. After that we have Polys test. So sulfuronic acid, remember it. Polys test is for the histidine, right? Histidine has a imidazole and it will convert into the histamine, right? Tryptophan will convert into the what? Serotonin. And then we have sulfur test. Sulfur test basically used for the amino acid which has a sulfur in their ring, right? So sulfur dioxide is used as a reagent and it gives the black color. Remember, it's give black color. Sulfur test for the protein, for the protein which contain the amino acid sulfur group, right? So this is cysteine. Hope you got this one. I hope you got this one. And please, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and thank you.